Today we are at the East Coast Haunters Convention here just outside of Philadelphia. This is the convention to go to if you are into Halloween and haunted houses in any way, shape, or form. We're going to take you onto the convention floor with us and show you kind of what they have to offer. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see some of the haunt tours that we've done this weekend as well. Without further ado, let's go look at some spooky stuff.
Please buy them. They are perfect little angels for your haunt.
Oh, it's self-service.
Oh.
We're gonna push the button. Oh. We gotta hold on.
This might have been a bad idea.
It's a bad idea! Oh yeah. Ooh. We're going up. This is safe, right? No.
Yeah.
No. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Woo! Oh my god. Oh, flames! We're on fire! Oh no!
Crash and burn.
Maybe we made it to the boiler room. Just a little toasty, yeah. We made it!
We made it.
So we're Rigor Mortis Haunted House, but we're also Rigor Mortis Productions. So we have our sister company where we make bodies, build props, and this is no different. We're here to showcasing some of our stuff for the year.
What kind of stuff do you make?
So we make life-size, full posable bodies that are fully bendable. They're urethane based, so they can go indoors or outdoors. We're kind of known for hyper-realistic props. We do a lot of stuff with custom work as well as off of our catalog from Transworld. So we brought a couple pieces back from Transworld that were really popular and just showcased into a different set of people that might not have gotten to go to Trans World.
You got anything new for this year?
We do. So we introduced 60 new statics for this season, 2026. And then online we have around 250 statics total.
Holy cow.
For this show we did bring a couple new items. We brought our ghost figures. And people are really into candles, so we of course have our female and male candelabra. Just, you know, the gothic vibes are kind of where we go.
So if folks want to see everything that you have or maybe buy something, where do you want to send them?
Of course. So we're based outside Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call or email or go to our website, rigormortishauntedhouse.com or rigormortisproductions.com, which will take you directly to all of our props, and they can shop there.
Very cool. Thanks, Jordan.
Of course. Thank you guys so much.
Cute. I don't know. Is this pure nightmare fuel or what? Oh, thank you. Well, that's beautiful.
Got some finger food there?
Yeah. I don't know if I'd eat it, but
Had been really bad, and you did not come see me last year. You promised you would come see me.
I did.
Maybe this year.
You lied to me.
Oh. Uh-oh. Had her communion. Might be saved.
It's my fan. It's hot in here, guys.
It is hot.
Don't worry, Jerry's still there.
He's still in the sewer?
You gotta tell him we said hi.
I will. Here.